Hi, my name's John Gravel. I'm in my shop here. I'm going to tell my story. I'm putting up a GoFundMe to help replace my stolen tools. Um, Never done this before, so forgive me. Uh, on or about February 15th, 2022, my shop was broken into and they stole pretty much all my tools that were worth anything, like a titanium MIG welder and a Vulcan TIG welder that it welded aluminum or steel, and then it could stick weld with it too. They stole a MIG welder that was a Chicago Electric. So the only welder I have left is an old Chicago Electric stick welder, and then I have my big Miller welder that is a portable welder for my stuff at home. I can't use it to work on cars because it's too big, and you don't stick weld body panels. They stole drills, cordless drills, cordless impacts, air tools, body tools, air saws, body hammers, just countless tools. And they basically cut a hole in the back door, folded the sheet metal back, walked in, gathered up everything they wanted, and walked out the front door. Literally just walked out the front door. They left the front door open is the only reason I knew anything happened. They stole the torpedo heater, which at the time was the only form of heat I had. And basically, I was semi-retired. I was using the shop to make money on the side, and to help me pay my bills. And I used my tools to help people that couldn't afford to go to a regular mechanic, because they could afford parts but didn't know how to put them on. And I used my knowledge and my kindness to help them people out. But anyway, they stole pretty much my livelihood, something that's taken me 4 years to recover from. The first time they stole everything I had, and I was just almost at the point where I could do everything I could do before. And that time they basically stole my whole life. I mean, from when I was a teenager till I was in my early 50s to accumulate. And I had a pretty decent job, and I was able to replace a bunch of the stuff. And then COVID hit, and the company I was working for was being kind of silly about COVID, and the place I was working was also causing me health problems. So I ended up leaving the company on basically doctor's orders. And I would work up here in my shop and make a little money on the side to help my wife pay bills until I could get good enough, well enough to go back to work. And then February happened. They pretty much took everything. Like I said, 3 welders, air tools, cordless drills, and stuff like that. Any woodworking tools I had. A heater. They took I call it a trim saw. It's a double bevel miter saw that I was using to build my bathroom, and I used it like I do everything else. And somebody asked me for help, I'm going to help them if I can. Anyway, excuse me. It tore me up pretty bad. and I ended up having to go back to work. And you know, even now with everything that's going on, I'm barely making bills. You know, I've replaced some hand tools here and there. My landlord put up a camera system, you know, for my shop, because I've been broken into several times here, and it just seems to never stop. But I have put some bars on one of my doors, or you know, one of my double wide doors, until I ran out of material, and I'm looking to do that to the rest of the building as I get money to do it. But you know, like I said, I'm just barely making bills right now. And this is a weird way of asking, but I've got a GoFundMe started, and you know, you don't have to donate. Anything that's donated would be appreciated. And if you can't donate, you can't. But you know, the donations would only go to replace my tools. And it's hot in here. Forgive me for sweating. It's supposed to be 100 and something here today, and it's pretty close already. Anyway, they would only go towards tools, and you know, possibly towards helping somebody get a car repaired, or repair something on their house. You know, it all depends on, you know, how many donations are made, or you know, how much is made. And anything that's left over after that, you know, I don't know if I should put a time limit on it or not, but you know, I've had it up for 3 or 4 days, and it's, you know, basically been zero. But you know, I know times are tight. I'm living through them. But the rest, you know, the rest of the money would go towards, like I said, helping people out, and donating to a charity here that they take donated clothes and donated, you know, stuff that you don't use anymore. It's kind of like a Salvation Army type place called Broadway Treasures. And all their funds go to a fund for battered women. In the world we have today, I hate to say that it happens, you know, and I want to do everything I can to help, you know, the people that can't help themselves, and I want, you know, to do what I can to help these battered women. Women are strong, but they can't take on that. And you know, my mother raised 5 children by herself until we were all adults. And you know, women are some of the strongest humans I know. But I just wanted to get on here. My goal I put was $10,000. I've got a list of the tools that were taken, and the total adds up to almost $8,000. But after doing some price checking, it's going to cost me almost $12,000 to replace them. So, you know, anything you can donate would be greatly appreciated. And if you can't donate, you can't donate. But anyway, I just wanted to put this out there. You know, some of my followers on my YouTube channel wanted to know what was going on, and that's what's going on. I haven't made any videos in a while because I don't have the tools to do anything. So, you know, it's kind of hard. And you know, I went and got a job. I work at home base now, and you know, that's what I use to pay my bills. And you know, hopefully in the future I'll start making enough money that I won't have to, you know, ask for money. I've never asked for money. I've always done it myself, and you know, but right now this really broke me. I mean, I've been down and out for a while now, and you know, I don't even like coming up here anymore. I do, because you know, I've got to get stuff done, but it's nothing worth videoing. I mean, I'm changing oil in my wife's vehicle, or my vehicle, or you know, I guess I could make a video about that, but everybody knows how to change oil. Everybody knows how to grease. Well, most people. But anyway, if you can help, it would be graciously appreciated. And if you can't, I understand. And I guess that's going to be it for now. And I love you guys. I appreciate everybody that follows me. And I guess we'll see you later. Signing off. We'll see you.